Stat number 1 should change how every local owner thinks about technical SEO in 2026. Businesses that deploy 3 or more schema types win 67% more AI answer box features than businesses that ship none, not slightly more, 67% more. That gap shows up when ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI Overviews, Claude, and Gemini decide which local brand is safe enough to quote, cite, or recommend. I'm going to show what that 67% really measures, why answer engines reward structured data harder than classic blue links ever did. The 3 schema types that move the needle first, the implementation mistakes that kill rich results before they start, and a 90-day plan so your business becomes the extractable entity AI systems prefer. First, what 67% more AI answer box features actually means. An AI answer box is any surface where a model summarizes, cites, or names a business instead of dumping 10 blue links. Google AI Overviews, Perplexity, citation cards, ChatGPT local shortlists, Claude research answers, and Gemini summaries all pull from machine-readable facts when they can. Schema is how you hand those facts over in a format models trust. Businesses with zero schema force every engine to guess from messy HTML directories and reviews. Guessing is expensive and risky, so models default to cleaner competitors. Businesses with 3 or more schema types give engines local business identity, service definitions, FAQ answers, review aggregates, and often how-to or product structure. That stack multiplies the chance you appear inside the answer itself, not just somewhere under it. This is not vanity markup for rich stars in 2018. In 2026, schema is entity packaging for zero-click discovery. When a homeowner asks ChatGPT for the best emergency plumber near me or Perplexity for roof repair cost in their city, the model looks for structured proof of who you are, what you sell, where you operate, and whether humans still trust you. 3+ schema types is the minimum stack that consistently feeds those questions. Second, why answer engines care more than classic Google ever did? Classic ranking could still reward a thin site if links and proximity was strong. AI answer surfaces compress the whole web into a few names. Compression favors extractable truth. JSON-LD schema turns your NAP, services, hours, prices, when honest, FAQs and reviews into fields a model can lift without hallucinating. Google AI Overviews blend local pack signals with web content. Clean local business and service schema reinforces the same entity the map pack already knows. Perplexity loves cityable pages with clear Q and A blocks that FAQ schema marks as answers. ChatGPT and Claude research flows prefer pages where organization, local business, and service types agree with citations in your Google business profile. Gemini local summaries punish contradictions. Schema does not replace reviews or citations, but it is the glue that keeps your identity from splitting across surfaces. Third, the 3 schema types that win first, then the bonus types that compound. Schema type number 1 is local business, or the closest subtype like plumber, dentist, restaurant, or home and construction business. This is your legal name, address, phone, geo-coordinates, opening hours, same as links to real profiles, and area served. Without it, every other type floats without an anchor entity. Schema type number 2 is service, or a tight set of service nodes tied to that business. Each money service needs a clear name, description, and provide a link back to you. If you only mark up the homepage and never declare drain cleaning, water heater replacement, or emergency response, models cannot confidently attach those jobs to your brand. Schema type number 3 is FAQPage on the pages that answer real buyer questions. Price ranges, response times, service area limits, financing, and what to do in an emergency become quotable blocks. FAQ schema is how you earn answer box language instead of hoping a model invents your policy. Bonus type number 4 is aggregate rating and review when you have enough genuine reviews to support it. Bonus type number 5 is how-to for process content, like how a water heater install works. Bonus type number 6 is product or offer, when you sell defined packages. The research pattern is clear. Crossing 3 types is where the 67% lift shows up. One lonely local business node is better than nothing, but it is not the winning stack. Fourth, the mistakes that wipe out schema gains before AI engines ever reward you. Mistake number 1 is copying a generic JSON-LD snippet with the wrong business type, a placeholder phone number, or an address that does not match your Google business profile. Contradictions destroy entity confidence faster than missing markup. Mistake number 2 is stuffing every possible schema type on one page with empty fields. Models and validators punish junk. 3 accurate types beat 12 hollow ones. Mistake number 3 is marking up content that is not visible on the page. If FAQ schema answers questions your HTML never shows, you train distrust. Mistake number 4 is never validating. Broken commas, missing quotes, and orphan types mean your 67% opportunity is invisible to every crawler. Mistake number 5 is set and forget. Hours change, services expand, phone numbers rotate, and review counts move. Stale schema becomes a lie. Answer engines prefer fresher corroboration from your profile, site, and citations working together. But it gets worse. Competitors who already ship clean multi-type schema get repeatedly named. That reinforcement loop makes catch-up harder every month you delay. 5th, the 90-day plan to capture the 67% advantage. Days 1 through 30, audit and foundation. Run your key money prompts across ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI Overviews, Claude, and Gemini. Screenshot who gets cited. Inventory your current schema with a validator. Deploy accurate local business and service schema site-wide, matching NAP to your Google business profile exactly. Publish or repair 3 service pages that machines can extract. Days 31 through 60, expand to 3+ types and proof. Add FAQPage schema on your highest intent pages with real answers customers already ask on sales calls. Connect aggregate rating only with honest review data. Fix every validation error. Align same as links to Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and industry directories you actually own. Retest the same AI prompts and log mention rate, not vanity traffic alone. Days 61 through 90. Compound and defend. Add how-to or offer schema where it matches real content. Monitor competitors who win AI answer boxes in your city and reverse engineer their entity completeness. Keep schema fresh weekly the same way you refresh posts on your Google business profile. Treat AI answer box share like a channel with a cost per booked job, not a one-time developer ticket. Recap. Businesses with 3 or more schema types earn 67% more AI answer box features because ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI Overviews, Claude, and Gemini reward extractable entity proof. Start with local business, service, and FAQPage. Avoid junk markup and contradictions. Validate, refresh, and track multi-engine mention rate for 90 days. Schema is not a trivia win for rich results. It is how you become the business AI is willing to name. If you want that visibility layer without living inside JSON-LD validators every night, Ninja strengthens the local and entity signals answer engines trust, monitors how often you appear across ChatGPT and the other AI surfaces, and shows exactly where competitors win the answer box while your site stays unquoted.